let's see how to make your husband buy something that he liked. So there's something I've seen online and I liked it a lot, and I'll tell him to buy that for me, and I'll try to impress him with this painting at first, and let's see how this conversation goes. Like, I literally have no idea. Let's see it. Hi.
Hello.
So what are you doing?
I'm just trying to find some contents.
Oh, that's great. So I've actually made this for you. Did you like it?
Oh wow. Yes, it's pretty cool.
Yeah, I know, right? So this is a little canvas and you can use it right here. Oh, it fits so nice.
I must say you're a lot
Yeah.
of
See?
artist, right?
I made it only for you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah. By the way, are you hungry?
No,
Shall I make something for you?
It's only 11, I guess. So no, I'm
Oh,
not. hungry.
I thought that maybe you were willing to eat something.
But you never say that, right?
Yes, I do. I cook for you every day.
Yes, you do. But like this time or the extra food,
Okay, just leave it. I mean, you're looking so handsome today. What's the matter?
Okay. Now this is getting spooky. Well, what's the matter? I mean, what do you need, by the way?
No, I don't need anything.
No, I'm just sensing something here.
No,
okay?
no. You're sensing it wrong. So basically, I saw a dress online, which is really pretty. And
Okay.
I was just thinking it would be so nice if someone could buy this dress for me.
So what is
But-
that? The drawing and at the same time the cooking stuff was about the order, right? The stuff
No,
that
it's
you
not
just
like
liked.
that. I'm not telling you to buy that for me, you know. I was just hoping that maybe someone could do that. But I don't have anyone, so...
Wait a minute. What do you mean by someone could do that?
Yeah,
Are you
it's
really-
just a thinking.
Are you referring to me? Just, okay, buy me this one.
Oh, so are you willing to buy that for me?
Well, it depends. If you cook me something special, and at the same
Yeah,
time,
I can do that. I can do that. Basically, I cook for you every day, so that's not a big deal, right?
Yes, indeed. But I need some ramen, maybe. It would be good.
Okay, but before that, you need to buy me that dress.
Okay, done. But wait a minute. How much this is cost?
It's only 5,000.
Oh,
Okay, thank you so
I
much.
don't think
I
so,
guess our
guys.
conversation is over. You said that you'll buy that for me.
okay, fine. This is not about the food and all the stuff. As you liked it, so I'm gonna do it for you. So don't worry, okay?
Okay, thank you so much. See, I did it.